Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and I'm back and it is time to make some soap because I need some now. So today, blue is going to be the theme. I'm going to do just a regular drop swirl, low and slow, which I've discovered seems to work best. I'm going to be using 3 blues. The first will be Nurture Soap's Climb Blue for our dark. The next blue will be Nurture Soap's Brilliant Blue for a medium blue. I might put a splash of TD in it, we'll see. And the last blue will be Nurture Soap's Tropical Teal for a light blue. And then I'll break the blues up in between with titanium dioxide white and activated charcoal. So I'll pour the dark blue, the white, the medium blue, the black, and the light blue. And as the title suggests, I'm going to fragrance this with Gain from Crafter's Choice, which I purchased at Wholesale Supplies Plus. And that's a top favorite because it really smells good, it behaves like a dream, and most important of all, the scent really holds up in cold process. So let's get started. I'm soaping about 88 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just a little bit warmer than usual, but I know this fragrance, I'm not really worried about it. So here we go. So we will start by, as usual, slowly, carefully pouring the lye water into the oils. And I'll rinse my container. And I forgot to get my soap containers. That we have here right handy. So I will start by bringing this to the lightest, most basic emulsification I think I can get by with. Whoops, did you see that? That's why we wear goggles. Didn't hit me, but it could have. Alright. Light that up. Okay, let's get this into 5 containers. As equal as possible, but as usual, close is good enough. And I'm finished with this, so I will scrape the remainder out. So let's start by getting these colored. And we'll start the first container, our Climb Blue. And about a maybe slightly heaping teaspoon will do. I'm not going to stir these until I get everything in. Here's my TD pre-mixed in water. Let me give that a little blast with the mixer. And our Brilliant Blue. activated charcoal. I'll do probably a heaping. It's probably a little closer to 2. I like a really dark black. And finally, our tropical teal. Let's give these a hand stir, lightest to darkest. And that TD will really brighten up when I stick blend it. And there we go. A mess up here. Okay, now let's give these a quick stick blend, lightest to darkest, to finish emulsifying and to micronize those TD particles, which will really brighten this up. Much nicer. Much better. And get this colored. I'm going to do an equal amount in each. Just eyeballing it. Close is good enough. And hand stir these lightest to darkest. Yep, shoot. Losing concentration. And there we go. And because I know this fragrance behaves really well, that's a little thin for me. I'm going to shut this down for about 60 seconds and I'll bring this back. We'll be ready to pour. Alright, let's do this. So this is still a little thin because I didn't stick blend the fragrance. It will thicken as I go. And since it's really thin, I'm going to pour low and slow to keep it from mixing. And this will take a long time, so I'm going to just stop speaking and probably will speed this up a little bit because this will be a long pour. and some rubbing alcohol so that pretty top won't ash over. And that's what I have right now. Pretty pleased with it so far. So we'll see what tomorrow looks like on the inside. I'll let that sit for about 5 minutes and squirt it again and wrap it up and put it to bed. See you tomorrow. And just like that, we're back to cut our soap, and I'm really excited about this. I've got a really nice top on it, super slick sides. It stuck a little bit pulling out of the mold, which surprised me because it went through a really hot gel, I believe. But I poured it pretty thin, which probably has something to do with that. But bottom line is, I think it's going to look really nice. So let's find out. Get you into the picture. And let's find out. Here we go. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah, very nice. So I will probably cut about half of each log to see what they look like on the inside. We'll start with the larger of the two, like I usually do. Oh yeah, love it. And that's just the end piece. Usually the inner pieces look even nicer. And even though it was pretty thin, we got some really nice thick stripes and well-defined colors in this one. And all three blues are uniquely different. So there's half of the one log. Let's cut into the other one because it oftentimes looks different. Yep, it does. So I am really pleased with these. So here is the one log and the smaller one, and here is the bigger one. Really, really happy with these, and that is what I have this week. I'll finish cutting these and get a picture of all of them lined up, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye.